It is one of the longest traffic light free expressway connecting Delhi and Gurgaon and further connecting towards Sona and Mumbai-Delhi expressway. Sector 104 where we are present right now, few pointers like we are just 12 minutes away from Terminal 3 airport, and I hope you guys are aware that UER2 underpass is almost ready and it will soon be inaugurated. The moment you enter UER2 underpass, it will take you 3 minutes to reach Terminal 3 airport. We, Hero Realty at Sector 104, we are there at the first exit from Dwarka Expressway when you are coming from Delhi, and first entry to Dwarka Expressway when you are going further towards New Gurgaon area. The point I'm making is what happened to Golf Course Road is soon going to happen with Dwarka Expressway. Golf Course Road may be called Lutyens of Gurgaon, but Dwarka Expressway I'm sure will be termed as downtown Dubai or Manhattan of Gurgaon. And we are sitting at a very strategic location. We want to be a part of the skyline of Manhattan or downtown Dubai. And some of you who are not aware about this area, we would like to invite you all to come to our office and see what we are talking about. This is what I wanted to say. I again, thank you. My heartfelt thanks to everyone who have joined in such large numbers here. And please enjoy the evening, and we'll see you soon when we are coming out with There Is More to 104. Thank you so much.